What comes to your mind when you hear the word Wakanda or Wakanda Inu? Anyway, this is Zaisi TV, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you love watching videos on pre-sales, on token, on NFT, on crypto, on pump and dump. Now back to Wakanda Inu, the African dog breed. Alright, Wakanda Inu is a decentralized meme token that have taken the world by surprise, especially on the African crypto space. It is built on a charity-oriented meme token that is entirely for social good across the globe, and that is Wakanda. After a tremendous boost lately, Wakanda Inu has been listed on so many platforms and has been featured on top brands. Obex Finance lists Wakanda Inu and launches NGS X P2P for easy access to Naira, and this news is coming from TechPoint Africa. On a summary of this news, we can find out that Wakanda Inu has been appreciated and now it is also on Obex. Looking at an overview of the article published on Obex, it says Wakanda Inu token is the latest and most successful meme coin to come out of Africa, and it has seen over a trade volume of about $48 million and up to 300% increase in price since its launch barely a week. So in less than a week, there are over 300% increase in its price, and the market volume is over $48 million with over 50,000 holders currently. The Telegram community, the Reddit community, the Discord community, all of them have been so filled. So how to buy Wakanda Inu on OBEX? You can buy Wakanda Inu on OBEX with NGS, USDT, USDC or BUSD or deposit into your Wakanda wallet on OBEX. With NGX being listed on OBEX, users can now easily deposit money using a P2P platform and also withdraw it to their bank. The NGN-X is pegged to the value of Naira, meaning one NGN equals to 1 Naira. So the best way to buy Wakanda Inu from OBEX is either with your NGN, that's one, with your Naira, with your USDT, or with your USDC. Back to the Wakanda Inu official webpage. From a very good summary of Wakanda Inu, we've come to see that so far so good in a very short space of time, the Wakanda Inu, that's the African dog meme, has been one of the best projects from Africa so far so good historically in the crypto space. Taking a very good at the token distribution, we saw the public say it's about 36%, the liquidity is about 30%, the marketing about 20%, development 10%, and charity 4%. And with this good distribution of analysis from that token distribution data, we can see that the over 200% growth in this project is one that is going to make everyone, including the founders, to be proud of it. Building the ecosystem and having its core developers into unit has been their very first primary roadmap, and so far so good. I can comfortably and confidently say that they have achieved this, and they have also targeted on burning over 12.5 trillion from the treasury. All these things can be accomplished, and I'm very sure that they could possibly be listed in every crypto blockchain space. In summary, Wakanda Inu is a community that grows every day. And if you want to find more about Wakanda Inu, when you visit their webpage, scroll down to the footer. You're going to find their social media platforms where you're going to get information on them. So far, so good. Wakanda Inu price seems to be a very long decimal. So that means if it surely climbs to $1, that will be over 1000% boost. And that is what financial analysts are looking at, that in a matter of a year or two, Wakanda Inu is certainly going to achieve such highs. A very good view at Bull is coming has shown some information. It says Wakanda Inu token is a token created and launched as a BIP20 token by African cryptocurrency enthusiasts since the 8th of November, and its total supply is over 985 billion, with over 7,000 holders in 24 hours of launch. So from the time of launch to date, there have been a lot of holders, and Wakanda Inu has impressed everyone, and we are certainly sure that it is still going to do very, very well. So you could actually buy Wakanda Inu on PancakeSwap, on OBEX, and on other platforms. Since Wakanda Inu is general for the entire public, anyone could certainly plug into it. Currently, this is doing so fine, and you going into it isn't a bad option at all. Don't forget, this is not a financial advice. You need to also conduct your own background check and decide if it's the best decision for you. This is ZIC TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't